Hi guys, Tim with Tim's World. This is July 8th. Out here in the barn working on this guitar again. I'd like to show you what I've accomplished. Okay, I've got the pickup routed out. Pickup actually fits in it now. This is routed out to size. I think I already showed that. This is what I'm thinking. That's just a piece of paper of what where the controls are going to go, and I think I'm just going to have the jack come straight up, get one of them cords that, you know, goes out that way. I don't know what you call them, but and I've sanded it up real nice, put a radius edge on it. Neck fits in there beautifully, and I'll show you the neck. I did make the neck. Forgot to record it. Got so wrapped up in it. When I was just about done, I thought, well, I didn't bring my GoPro. Anyhows, okay, here's the neck. This is my style, my drawing. To get my width here, I had a bigger board, you know, like that. And I put it on the table saw, and I made a cut here on my line. And then I moved over and made a cut. You can see my line slightly off, but that got me real close to where I wanted. And then I just took pencil and marked each side and just sanded the pencil off, and I kept doing that till it fit in that pocket on the guitar. Well, it fits really good, a really snug fit. Then I, you know, cut that, radiused it. This was actually longer, so when I was cutting the size on the table saw, I made that one cut, and then I could come here and keep adjusting it without actually messing with the neck, because my piece extended out to here, and then I cut it off. So that's how I done that. And I just hand drew this. It's not all that accurate, but and my keys will go here. Here's where my nut will go. Okay, and so what I'm doing now, I'm cutting slots for the fret markers. This won't have guitar frets. It'll have fret markers. I'm going to cut little strips out of either mahogany or maybe walnut. I don't know. Then I'll take a drill and drill these holes. They're a little bit off center because, like I said, see, I had everything off slightly, so I'll have to move everything over. But right now I just want to get these cut, these markers. I'm cutting them 50 thousandths deep, and I'm just going to glue them in and then sand everything. So I know I might want to go deeper. I don't know. Yeah, see how it goes. Anyway, that's what I got thus far. So I'm just going to I'm just eyeballing these. I mean, I got a line there. Turn the machine on. Got running as fast as I can get it. Should be 2,700 RPMs. I got a carbide end mill in there. So I'm gonna back her off. Come over to my next one. Put it over my line. Just eyeball it even, right in the middle. Can you see that? Looks kind of dark on the GoPro anyway. I think that's about it. Lock my cable. Back her off. Go down 50. And this is pretty hard. Curling maple is pretty hard. So I'm just going to go slow. I don't want it chipping out and breaking out when it comes across here. Is that picking up on there, guys? I can't tell. get to this point, I'll slow down a bit because I don't want it breaking anything out much. And there you have it. So I got a ways to go. I'll show it when I'm done. Okay, just thought I'd show it back in the guitar, the neck. So there you have it. This is just a piece of paper. I'm not sure if I'm going to go with that design. I'll either make that cover out of aluminum or maybe curly maple. I'm not sure. I have to think about that. Okay. See you on the next one.